professional iPhone pentalobe screwdriver. Power down your Apple iPhone-SE smartphone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button. While applying firm, constant force, use the plastic triangle opening tool to work around the display assembly and separate from the iPhone-SE rear case. Just like the iPhone 5S, lurking beneath the iPhone SE display is the Touch ID cable. Do not pull the display up too far without first removing the bracket and disconnecting the cable. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws securing the metal bracket to the motherboard. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. Use the fine-tip curved tweezers to remove the metal bracket and disconnect the LCD, digitizer, and front camera and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws and then the metal bracket. With the spudger, detach the iPhone SE 3.8-volt battery from the logic board. Use the fine-tip curved tweezers to peel up the adhesive tabs at the bottom of the battery. Grab the tabs and try to keep the adhesive flat and wide. Slowly pull the adhesive away from the iPhone SE. The adhesive will stretch to many times the length of the battery. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the iPhone's rear case. Remove the iPhone SE battery.